Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip south on the last 11 miles of I-95 in the state of Connecticut. We're in the town of Darien, and we have light rain which will continue to get worse throughout this video. However, I predict an abrupt change in the weather and traffic patterns as we approach New York City, allowing for clear views of the surrounding highways and terrain. We're going to pull over at the last service plaza in Connecticut for a bathroom break and get another cup of coffee. I wanted to get good and caffeined up for the trip through the city. We enter the city of Stamford, the sixth most populous city in all of New England, with a population of 135,470 as of the 2020 census. During the 1960s and 1970s, Stamford experienced a surge in commercial real estate development as corporations moved out of New York City to suburban areas. A major urban redevelopment effort transformed downtown Stamford, resulting in the construction of numerous tall office buildings. The F.D. Rich Company, designated as the lead urban renewal developer, spearheaded this contentious project, which spanned several decades. The company built One Landmark Square, a 21-story structure that was Stamford's tallest building at the time, as well as the GTE building, now known as One Stamford Forum, the Marriott Hotel, Stamford Town Center, and other key office spaces. One Landmark Square was eventually surpassed by the 34-story Park Tower Stamford condominium and later by the Atlantic Station development, another F.D. Rich Company project in partnership with Capelli Enterprises. Throughout the 1980s, 1990s, and into the 21st century, additional developers contributed to the expansion of downtown Stamford. Since 2008, the Harbor Point neighborhood, located south of downtown, has undergone significant redevelopment. This 80-acre mixed-use project introduced 6 million square feet of residential, retail, office, and hotel space, along with a marina. By July 2012, about 900 of the planned 4,000 residential units in Harbor Point had been completed. The area, often referred to as New Stamford, now features new restaurants and recreational opportunities. From 2008 to 2017, Stamford issued permits for over 4,300 housing units. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Stamford and its metropolitan area saw an influx of residents relocating from New York City. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Stamford and its metropolitan area saw an influx of residents relocating from New York City. we enter the town of Greenwich, a key town in the Bridgeport, Stamford, Norwalk, Danbury metropolitan area, which covers all of Fairfield County. It is also part of the larger New York metropolitan area and falls within the Western Connecticut planning region. Located at the farthest southwest corner of Connecticut and all of New England, Greenwich marks the region's extreme southwestern point. This area, often called the Gold Coast, includes the southern part of Fairfield County. Renowned for its affluence, the Gold Coast is famous for its upscale waterfront properties and its proximity to New York City. Greenwich stands out as the crown jewel of the region, offering a prime location near Manhattan and easy access to the Long Island Sound. We crossed the Mianus River Bridge, officially known as the Michael L. Morano Bridge. The bridge was rebuilt in 1992 to replace the original structure, which tragically collapsed in 1983. The collapse resulted in deaths of 3 motorists and serious injuries to 3 others when 2 cars and 2 tractor-trailers plunged 70 feet into the Mianus River below. The collapse occurred because 2 pin and hanger assemblies that were holding the bridge deck in place on the outer side failed, according to an investigation by the National Transportation Safety Board. Over time, rust built up inside one of the pins, which caused pressure on the supporting clamps that was too much for them to handle. This caused the hanger on the inside of the expansion joint at the southeast corner to slide off the pin, shifting the weight to the other hanger. The extra load caused a crack to form at a weak point on the pin. When the pin eventually broke, the bridge deck was only being supported by 3 corners. As 2 heavy trucks and a car drove over this weak section, the remaining support failed, causing the deck to fall into the river below. We conclude today's video as we reach the New York state line. Thanks for watching. We'd like to give special thanks to our Backseat channel members, Laurie Smith, The Big K, Martin Blaze, and Harry Michelson. You can become a member by clicking on the link in the description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment below, share and follow us on social media, subscribe, and join us for our next 504 road trip.